Hey, look at this poor boy with that old laptop.
The beggar is trying to become a scientist.
Is that really a computer, or just old trash?
Please give it back to me right now.
Working? Stop coding, loser, and give up already!
You are poor, so you will never be anyone.
No, please. It is all I have left. My parents gave it to me before they passed away.
We do not care about your sad story.
Now you have nothing, just like before.
Go back to your slum where you belong.
Why are they so cruel to people like me?
Hurry up, Noah. You are far too slow.
I am sorry, sir. I am trying my best.
Less talking, more washing, and move faster.
Please be careful with the plates. They are important.
Mom, Dad, I miss you so much tonight. Life is hard, but I will not give up. I promise I will build a better future. Good morning. I want to apply for a coding job. Here is my application. Please take a look.
Do you have a university degree for this position?
No, ma'am, but I have learned by myself. But I know how to code and solve problems.
No degree and no experience means no job here. This is Tech Corp, not a charity for poor boys.
Security, please take this boy out immediately.
Come with me, please. You must leave now.
I only wanted one chance to prove myself.
Look who works here in this dirty kitchen. Ah! Still poor, still useless, and still washing dishes.
Please be careful. I am carrying many plates.
Oops. You are so clumsy, poor Noah. And now he will be in serious trouble.
I saw Noah taking money from the office.
What is this money doing inside your bag?
I did not do it. That money is not mine. I think he may have taken it.
Everyone noticed.
He is poor, so of course he steals.
Please believe me. I would never steal anything.
You are fired! Leave this restaurant right now! If I see you again, I will call the police!
Now I really have nothing left in my life. I have to survive, even if I am alone. I have to create something with what I know. I will show them I am not trash.
Hello, young man. What are you reading there? I am sorry, ma'am. I will clean it quickly. Do not be scared. I only want to understand. It is just a book about coding and software. No, this is very impressive work for someone your age.
Really? Do you truly think it is good?
You want to build something amazing one day.
I want to create software that can help people.
But I do not have a computer anymore. Do you have a safe place to stay tonight?
No. I live on the streets by myself.
You are too young to be alone like this.
I am an orphan, and no one cares. Day.
Come with me, Noah. You should not stay here.
Really? You would help someone like me? Me?
I see a good heart and a bright mind. Let us go home, Noah. You are safe now. Eat as much as you like. There is enough food.
Thank you so much. I cannot believe this.
This is your home now, if you want it.
No one has ever been this kind to me.
Not everyone is cruel, Noah. Some people care. Tomorrow, a new life begins for you. This laptop is for your dream, Noah.
I can study again and work on my ideas.
Do not forget to rest when you feel tired.
I am not tired. I love this so much. I want to build a system that protects people.
Then build it with all your heart and courage.
Oh, this genius saved our company from disaster.
I only wanted to help and solve the problem.
You have a golden heart and a brilliant mind.
I always believed in him from the beginning.
Be my son and lead this company with me.
Lead the company? Do you really mean that?
Thank you, Father. I will not waste this chance.
I will use this company to help the poor. We lost everything, and now we have nothing. I hate this place. I hate living like this. Because of our mistakes, we lost everything. This job is too hard, and my body hurts. We treated people like trash for no reason. Especially that boy Noah. We were terrible to him. We broke his computer and laughed at his pain. Now we know how it feels to have nothing. Noah? Is that really you sitting there? Mao, you look like a king in that suit. Yes, I am the boy you mocked 5 years ago. We are so sorry for what we did. I forgive you. Hard work changes life, but a good heart defines you.